A chair is a type of seat. Its primary features are two pieces of durable material attached as back and seat to one another at 90-degree or slightly greater angle, with usually the four corners of the horizontal seat attached in turn to four legs. The legs are typically high enough for the seated person's thighs and knees to form a 90-degree or lesser angle. Used in a number of rooms in homes, such as in living rooms, dining rooms and dens, in schools and offices with desks, and in various other workplaces. Chairs may be made of wood, metal or synthetic materials, and either the seat alone or the entire chair may be padded or upholstered in various colors and fabrics. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you modern metal chair design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a few basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Chairs are known from ancient Egypt and have been widespread in the Western world from the Greeks and Romans onwards. They were in common use in China from the 12th century. Surviving examples of chairs from medieval Europe are often ornate works associated with royalty and nobility. During the Renaissance, chairs came into more common use, their design reflecting the changing customs and furnishings of the period. Distinctive designs developed in France and England. In modern times, the range of chair designs and materials has increased enormously. George Emil Haber's 1996 cast iron furniture and all other forms of iron furniture provides excellent background to a discussion of contemporary metal furniture. This exhaustive gallery of European and American works begins with a piece of iron furniture cited as an ancient Roman sella curulus, a folding chair for persons of high rank. That it was made of iron is an indication of the value the Romans placed on the material. In the Middle Ages, chests of wood completely encased in wrought iron panels were made for the protection of goods and documents against assaults and fire. These were the precursors of modern safe. Another significant metal furniture form was the bed, favored by kings and dignitaries. Iron deterred the ubiquitous bugs and moths that inhabited the damp and tapestrian bedrooms, not only of the rich and famous. The more sanitary nature of metal, with its capacity for being washed and disinfected, determined its choice for hospital beds and does to the present day. In the 1830s, the increase in iron production for railways promoted wide use of iron for furniture and ornament, primarily for gardens. Unfortunately, few examples of the delicate yet strong neo-Gothic tracery from this period remain. At mid-century, nature became the predominant design motif as branches and tendrils were thought to enhance the seater's enjoyment of gardens or parks. Significant advances in production occurred in the early 19th century that would secure the future of metal furniture. A bent-rod rocking chair first appeared in England in 1839. A US patent for this form was granted in 1867. As early as 1829, a French company was manufacturing iron tubes, and in 1842, August Kirchschelt opened his own factory in Vienna to make beds, tables, sofas, and armchairs from iron tubes in combination with upholstery. Chairs vary in design. An armchair has armrests fixed to the seat, a recliner is upholstered, and under its seat is a mechanism that allows one to lower the chair's back and raise into place a fold-out footrest. A rocking chair has legs fixed to two long curved slats, and a wheelchair has wheels fixed to an axis under the seat. Chairs can be made from wood, metal, or other strong materials like acrylic. In some cases, multiple materials are used to construct a chair. For example, the legs and frames may be made of metal and the seat and back may be made of plastic. Chairs may have hard surfaces of wood, metal, plastic, or other materials, or some or all of these hard surfaces may be covered with upholstery or padding. The design may be made of porous materials or be drilled with holes for decoration. A low back or gaps can provide ventilation. The back may extend above the head of the occupant's head, which can optionally contain a headrest. Chairs can also be made from more creative materials such as recycled materials like cutlery and wooden play bricks, pencils, plumbing tubes, ropes, corrugated cardboards, and PVC pipes. Chair design considers intended usage, ergonomics or how comfortable it is for the occupant, as well as non-ergonomic functional requirements such as size, stacking ability, folding ability, weight, durability, strain resistance, and artistic designs. Ergonomic design distributes the weight of the occupant to various parts of the body. This is done by having an easily adjustable seat height. A seat that is higher results in dangling feet and increases pressure on the underside of the knees. It may also result in no weight on the feet, which means more weight elsewhere. A lower seat may shift too much weight to the seat's bones. Gas springs are attached to the body of some chairs in order to give height adjustment and more comfort to the user. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting modern metal chair design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe.